Hello everyone. Today, I am going to show you how you can make objects float in the air or stop in the air using CapCut. It's a super easy process, so let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import your video clip to the timeline. Identify the part of the clip where you want the object to float. For example, if you want a ball to stop in the air as someone hits it, follow these steps. Start by duplicating your clip. To do this, tap on the clip in the timeline, then select Duplicate. Now, find the exact moment in the duplicate clip where you want the object to float and make a cut at that point. Delete the part before the cut. Next, create a mask around the object you want to float. Select the duplicate clip, then tap on Mask in the bottom menu. Choose the Rectangle option to create a mask. Adjust the mask so it fits perfectly around the object. Once your mask is ready, tap on the freeze icon. This will create a freeze frame of the masked object, making it look like it's floating. Adjust the length of this freeze frame to match the duration of your original clip. Delete any remaining part of the duplicate clip after the freeze frame. You can refine the floating effect by adjusting the mask feather option. This will soften the edges of the mask, making the floating object blend more naturally with the rest of the video. Finally, play back your video to see the floating effect in action. If everything looks good, you're done. Export your video and share it with your audience. And that's it. You've successfully made an object float in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing.